Today, we're going to be making Outdoor Boys' famous honey bread. So come along to the ride. Let's go. It is very simple how Outdoor Boys makes their bread. It only takes flour, yeast, sugar, and water. So let's go to the kitchen and get them things right now. Doing this whole camp series this week because my Pioneer camp got canceled because of lack of enrollment, and this is the first video. So y'all make sure y'all hit the subscribe button where y'all won't miss any of the episodes this week. So let's get right into this video. Threw a scoop of flour in there, doesn't really matter how much, and then we just put some sugar in here. Okay, there we go. Then we just need a little bit of pinch salt. There we go. Doesn't matter how much we each put in there really, but we're just making one today, so we just go do that much. For more people, you do more though. So we mixed it up. We put some water in here, and then you kind of just put a little bit more until you get a good dough, you know, and then just knead it kind of in here. There we go. Got it in here, but it's a little bit crumbly, so we just go add a little bit more. Got it how we want it, just enough to make one piece of bread, and we just go let it sit and rise while we go build the fire. Alright, today to make our fire, we're going to be using the ferrocerium rod, dryer lint, birch bark, cotton balls, easy things to start with ferrocerium rod. Alrighty, what do you want to do? Get you some dryer lint. Get a little piece off of it. Fluff it up a little bit, you know, not too much. Have the other tinder ready. I have some birch bark and then some tiny little twigs over here. So, you need some sort of piece of metal to strike. Or you can use your bushcraft knife. And that's what you're gonna do. So, with the dryer lint, I like to hold it down with it. Make a little wad. Wad. There we go. Like that. Now we just do little twigs. We got some more over here. So yeah, you know, that's how you use a ferrocerium rod to start a fire. Take our rock, hit right on there. Kind of got my hands dirty, but we go get that dough and put right on there. Put some little butter on there first, so perfect. Let's do this. Alright, nice and hot now. We got some chunk of butter. Oops, just went right through the bag. Oh, we got a chunk of butter in the bag. We go to the butter right there, and it's melting already. Well, let's go ahead and get the dough out of my bag. Already. There we go. I need to knead that a little bit. And then there we go. Just lay it right on there. Wait till we flip it. Cooking on a rock. Flatten it out some. Nice. Throw a few more pieces of wood in there. A bunch of coals under there. I don't know if y'all can see that. Alright, y'all, we're about to flip this thing. Y'all, look at that. that looks good. Check it out. Looks amazing. This honey bread right here, so good. Come on in. Alrighty, let's go to flip it. Y'all ready? We go cook a little bit more on this. Ooh, that looks so good, y'all. Check that out. That looks good. That does. That looks very good. Oh, that looks good. Alrighty, y'all, we're about to take it off. We got our plate, just a piece of wood. Let's go. Very hot. Oh goodness, that looks good. Check this out, y'all. That's that side. We'll go flip it over. Oh wow, that looks so good. Okay, let's eat it. Alrighty, y'all. This looks so good. Let's just take a bite, just like this. Oh my goodness. That is so good, y'all. Luke says there's nothing better than warm fresh bread, except one warm fresh bread with honey butter. So, we got our leftover honey or butter. Be quiet. We're gonna pour some honey right into there. Just like that. Just like that. And then just mix it up. Let's go ahead and pour it on there. Alrighty. Let's pour this, get this stuff on here. Oh goodness. Oh, that looks so good. Oh my goodness. Oop, don't run off. Precious stuff. Alright, let's chow in. This looks so good. I'm just going to pick it up. Oh, hot. Oh. There's no words to describe how good this is. You just have to go try it yourself. It is so delicious, y'all. So delicious. This is so good, y'all. Oh. Whoop, don't run off. No, no, no. Oh! My Pioneer camp was canceled because of lack of enrollment. And to say the least, I was disappointed. So, this week, we're going to be doing a 4-day camp and document it for you guys. So, let's get right into this. Y'all make sure to hit that subscribe button to get tomorrow's video. Because we're doing this camp. So, drop a comment, and thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.